Asset presents this Sikorsky S-76B, serial number 760351. With over 600 S-76s flying worldwide and 7.5 million flight hours accumulated, the track record of the S-76 is impressive. This S-76B, serial number 760351, was manufactured in 1989. The cabin offers a bespoke 6-place executive interior with a 4-place forward-facing divan and 2 aft-facing reclining captain chairs. The cockpit is single pilot certified, coupled with an ADS-B-compliant Garmin transponder and a weather radar with lightning sensor. Notable options include emergency flotation, auxiliary tank provisions, retractable left and right side boarding steps, and SATCOM. This S-76B is hangared a short drive from Toronto Pearson Airport. Contact us to find out more about this S-76B and its incredible ownership pedigree. Sikorsky S-76B, serial number 760351, presented by Aero Asset.